melty cheeks. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it. I always start these fights, don't hate my guts right now, 'cause I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. And baby, you're the bright side when there's no goddamn sunshine. You're always around to pick me up. You're the silver lining. You're the silver lining. Small talk on busy streets. Right now I don't even know if I deserve you. Sometimes I wonder what you see, 'cause I'm still acting like a child. Yeah, you always see the best in me. I always start these fights, but you still love me, right? I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. Baby, you're the bright side when there's no goddamn sunshine. You're always around to pick me up. You're the silver lining. You're the silver lining.
I mean, there's just this giant mound here of just things. That's like someone's HVAC unit. My God. And it's just oh God. What do you think? Don't get too close to the edge. Don't get too close, Bentley. Don't get too close to the edge. Because it could collapse and you fall down. Bentley, please do not do that.
Okay. Yeah, but I can tell that this is the same area where the water now used to be. Now come to think about it, look how wet and all that looks.
But
Well, the water's just gone.
well, it's yeah. I mean, it's lower now. But when everything was happening, this water was. Look at over here. How that is. The water was inside that building. That it was up, taking that second story off.
Then where did the peoples go?
Some of them evacuated and some of them did not.
Finally had all the fun, seeing how fun it is to drive. They
I know.
haven't even discovered the whole world yet. It's
I know.
sad.
Yes, it's very sad. I can't believe all of this debris. It's different seeing it in person than on TV, isn't it? Ma'am, that was not nice.
Don't do that.
Yeah, I can tell. It feels like a toilet, Mom. It feels like one. Okay, so this is a sink, and this is a toilet. So sink and toilet.
This is the other side of the flowering bridge. The side that got ruined. Each season has its own beauty. Our plant of the month. Summer. Spring, which should be now. And fall. Willow is screaming. This is... This used to be, I think, the other side of the bridge. Seems so. Washed away. It kind of looks similar to when we were here 3 months ago. We were on the other side though. We had parked over there by that place. I think it's called the Fay Nectar. I think is what it's called. But it looks about the same. I can't believe that bridge is still standing. I would have thought it got washed away too, but it didn't.